Welcome to another Impossible Creations YouTube video. Today's video is about Nipper, the HMV dog. Nipper has been recognised worldwide since 1909 as part of the HMV logo. The Nipper project was given to a regular customer of ours, Sculpture Studio, who are just down the road from us in Basildon, Essex. They were asked to produce a 5-metre tall replica of the original dog, which is where we came in. The 364mm tall statue was sent to us and was scanned by one of our apprentices, Max, who used our 3D capture scanner to generate a 3D model inside the computer to allow us to work with. This particular scanner uses light to capture the object in front of it, which is why Nipper is a matte grey colour. We then brought Nipper into our Geomagic freeform clay modelling software to enhance any features he may have lost through translation. The tools I am using here is the tug and engraving tool, using pictures of the statue to make sure the model is an exact replica with all the details on the collar included. This process can be applied to many different objects, which you will see in future videos with a multitude of other tools available. Here you will see the complete detailed version of Nipper ready for the next stage. He needed to be 5 metres in height, which meant scaling him up by 1,373%, a simple click of the button with today's technology. Our computer model was then sent to a cutting company, which devised a way for Sculpture Studio to make Nipper into one full piece. To see how Aidan did this, check out Sculpture Studio's YouTube channel. He was then transported to the vinyl factory in Hayes, where he sits today. This project was enjoyable for us as we have our own office dog, Henry the Black Lab, who you will see more of in future videos. Thank you for watching and subscribe today.